thing, dude. It f***ing rips. Like the mid-range on this bike is ridiculous. Definitely am gonna go ahead and say that this is my favorite bike of all time. I thought I really liked the KX when I rode it here last time, but having my YZ250F back here, man, I instantly just feel so comfortable and so fast and in control on this track. It's hard to beat the feeling of this YZ. One of the biggest reasons I like this Yamaha, the KYB suspension, is so good. It just soaks up everything so nice. The motor's loud, but I really like the sound of the Yamaha, man. I love the way it barks. In the air. Oh, I should have taken the Joker lane to avoid these guys. Oops. Sam's bike, my KX250F. I really thought I was fast on that, but I'm so much more comfortable on this. This thing freaking rips. Dude, this bike is so freaking good. I feel so comfy on it so instantly. I feel like I can ride so many laps on it. Alright, so this is my third ride so far on my new YZ250F, and I made a couple mods to it. First, I bought some new handlebars. These are like the lowest Renthal bend that I can find. I like low bars, so these are like low, wide Renthal bars. Really like these. The stock bend was just a little too high for me. And I also got a tall gripper gut seat. I think on any dirt bike, a gripper seat is necessary, but I'm a taller guy. I know it's weird because I like low bars, but I like a taller seat, especially on this Yamaha. I felt like I was just sitting a little bit low in it, so that feels really, really good so far. I really like it. So Sam just moved up from his KX85 onto this KX250F. I'm gonna follow him around for a couple laps, see what kind of jumps he's hitting, what jumps he's not hitting. Oh, look at that big wide outside line, that's cool. That section's actually cool. Gotta try and stay outside of his main line so I don't get roosted constantly. Yeah, good stuff, dude. Instantly, when I put him on a bigger bike, not only does he ride faster, but instantly on the bigger bike, he is like clearing jumps so much better. He's got that added power, that added torque. Let's see him try to take this ride. He is taking that ride. Good for him. Alright, outside line. Yeah, buddy. He says he's clearing this one up here. See it, buddy. Yeah, dude. Oh, he's trying it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no way. What? Oh. I can't even believe it. That is so sick, dude. I'm so stoked he hit that. I think he might hit this. He is. Yeah, dude. Oh my god, dude. Bro, are you kidding me? Bro, how good does that feel? That feels good. You feel perfectly in control when you did them? Yeah. Now guess what? Big one. You got to. I guarantee you're not gonna case the one in the front. Yeah. But if you want to go for it and I'll follow you, or if you want to follow me, I'm good with either.
I'll probably, you follow me.
Me follow you? Alright. Dude, I can't even believe it, honestly. Sam's second time on the big bike on the KX250. Sam says he's feeling confident and he wants to try the this bigger double up here in the front. I know he's got it because he hit those other ones with good speed, so as long as he does the exact same thing, it's gold. We're gonna follow him around the outside. Yeah, buddy, you got it. Go for it. That's it. Yeah! Yeah! My God. Yeah. First time. And he just got on this big bike, dude. I'm so stoked.
Dude, that is awesome.
Yeah, wasn't that sweet? He was rooting for you too, bro. How's that feel?
Good.
Dude, you're conquering everything now. Honestly, I didn't expect this today, so I'm pumped. I am pumped. I'm gonna follow you if you think you're gonna do the pond jump. We can just turn right here.
Alright.
You wanna go for it?
Sure.
I'm telling you, it's just squeeze with the
parking lot?
Same speed as the parking lot one, squeeze with your knees and just smooth, steady throttle. Yep. Alright, Sam's feeling confident. Now he knows the speed he needs to hit these things. Most of these jumps are just third gear on the gas and he knows it. There you go, buddy. Yep, that's it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! that's going to wrap up the video for today. It was an awesome day testing this YZ250F on my favorite track. Man, this thing is wicked good. Definitely my favorite bike of all time. Awesome day riding with Sam. He made some seriously good progress. Like hit all the doubles but maybe one today, and I'm so freaking stoked for him. So happy. I think it's safe to say he feels comfy on that new KX250F too. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, because it really helps out my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.